Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from...
Japan!
That's right, it's from Japan! This is a Zenpop box. It's a subscription box. You go over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Well, let me crack this open and we'll see what's inside. Ooh, what's in there? Alright, so the first thing we see when we crack open this box is a thank you note. No, thank you. You want it?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the next thing we see is this informational sheet. This is dual-sided with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different varieties shown on here. And this is the Trip to Japan pack for February 2020. Alright, so I'll do what I usually do. I'll go through each one and read you a little bit about it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, first off, we have a Marushan variety. This is Oshima and Tanaka Shoten Miso Tonkatsu Ramen, a brand new collaboration that commemorates 2 award-winning ramen. This special ramen combines the infamous miso ramen from Oshima in Sapporo, Hokkaido, with the rich tonkatsu from Tanaka Shoten Ramen-ya in Adachi-ku, Tokyo. The end result, a delectable spicy miso pork-born-based ramen. Next up, we got some Myojo Charumera Shoyu Ramen. There are so many types of ramen, but we always find ourselves coming back to comforting shoyu soy sauce ramen. This renewed Charumera cup comes with a secret spice oil, and you'll love the fragrant smell of scallops, beef, and aromatic vegetables, along with black pepper. Next up, we've got a new touch variety. This is Osaka Kasu Udon. One of Japan's most popular dishes is made from beef or pork offal, which means guts and junk. Surprisingly, as it's absolutely delicious, offal doesn't often top Japan's most eat wish list. In Kashai-ben, the dialect used in Osaka, kasu translates as discarded goods. A famous dish here is kasu udon, or udon topped with abora kasu, deep fried and protein-rich chopped beef intestines. I'll say right now that braised pork intestine that I've had in Taiwan is some of the best stuff in the world. So don't turn your nose up at a nice set of intestines. Next up, we've got Myojo with their Niwatori Nanban Soba. Soba noodles are a thinner and often healthier noodle made from buckwheat flour or a combination of buckwheat and wheat flours. Nanban is a popular dish found in the menu of most soba restaurants in Japan, although it is often more expensive than other soba dishes like tempura soba. Next up, we've got some Myojo Mellow Miso Ramen. Enjoy the superb and satisfying taste of miso ramen, finished with Koku Uma no Shizuku, a special flavor oil. The miso soup is a combination of red and white miso for a deep flavored miso taste and pork bone and ginger stock. I gotta say, these are really good. If you look right, where is it? Extremely ramen noodles. Yeah, so this is good stuff. Next up, another Marushan variety here. We have Shio Yakisoba. Yakisoba, stir-fried noodles, is one of Japan's soul foods. This master Shio Yakisoba uses a simple salt sauce instead of the usual rich and sugary sauce. It's an addictive and a little bit spicy with a pork and chicken-based sauce, flavored with garlic and coarsely ground black pepper. And finally, we have Sapporo Ichiban with their Sapporo Soup Curry Ramen. Maybe you've had curry ramen before, but this might be your first time to try soup curry. While they might sound similar, these are indeed two separate dishes. Soup curry originated in 1971 in Sapporo, Hokkaido. It's a very soupy curry with a spicy taste and lots of added ingredients. Mainly various vegetables. Usually it's a much bigger serving than normal curry dishes you'll find in Japan. Alright, so in this, the February 2020 Zenpop box, you get curry, Sharomera shoyu, delicious guts, extremely ramen noodles, shio yakisoba, a fancy looking collaborative miso tonkatsu, nanban soba, your information sheet, and a thank you note that my daughter made off with, and she's pretty happy about that. Alright, cool. Well, thanks to the folks at Zenpop for shooting this over.
Thank you.
And yeah, if you want to get one of these, head on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code.
Ramen.
That's right. Alright, cool. This has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.